explain about definition of non-circular side two-dimensional object. As briefly explained previously, one of the concepts being focused on the plane geometry is plane figure or two-dimensional shape or object. To help you understand the situation, it is strongly underlined that object being studied it distinguishes based on whether that object itself contains or being constrained by circular side or not. Based on this consideration, there are two kinds of flat object: non-circular side two-dimensional object and circular side dimensional object. From now and until the end of this chapter, we only discuss non-circular side two-dimensional object. Non-circular side two-dimensional object is mathematically named as the area bounded by an side polygon or just an side polygon. This can be defined as the area bounded by some segment length in particular configuration. The unique name of polygon depends on how many sides or segments contain or constrain the area. For example, if there are three lines constraining on R, a triangle is three-side polygon on trigon. However, the name of flat figure does not always rely on the number of lines constraining, but also the characteristic it has square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, kite, and rhombus are all side polygon or fourgon. Anyway, all of them have their own defining characteristics which make the different to other.
Square. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE have the same length. It has four equal angles. Angle E, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D. 19 degrees. It has two diagonals AC and BD which intersect at point E. It has four fold symmetry. It has four relational symmetry. Rectangle. It has two far off sides AD equal to BC and AB equal to CD. It has four equal angles. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D. 19 degrees. It has two diagonal AC and BD which intersect at point E. It has two fold symmetry. It has two rotational symmetry. Triangle. A kind of acute triangle. A triangle which has all the angles less than 90 degrees.
Now I will explain about kind of triangle based on the length of the side. First, equilateral triangle. The triangle that has all of its sides the same length. Second, isosceles triangle.
A triangle which has two sides of the same length. Third, scalene triangle. A triangle that has three sides of unequal length. Now is about parallelogram. Parallelogram has characteristic 1. It has two pair of equal length side. AB equals CD and AD equals BC. 2. Angles A equals to angle C are acute angles, and angle B equals to angle D are obtuse angle. 3. Diagonal intersect each other. Diagonals being intersect are exactly divided into two equal lengths of segment. 4 has no fold symmetry. 5 has two rotational symmetry.
I here will explain about trapezoid, kite, and rhombus. Okay, number 1, trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid. ED and BC have the same length. It has one pair of parallel sides, EB or CD. It has pairs equal angles. You to right trapezoid. It has pair of equal angles. It has one pair of opposite sides parallel to each other. 3. Scalene trapezoid. All sides have different lengths. It has one pair of opposite parallel sides. 2. Kites. ED and CD have the same length. EB and BC have the same length. It has two equal angles. It has two diagonal lines EC and BC that have different lengths. The lengths intersect and mutually perpendicular. It has one fold symmetry. It has one rotational symmetry. Okay, 3. Rhombus. EB, BC, CD, and DE have the same length. It has two par equal of opposite angle. It has mutually perpendicular diagonal and bisect each other at the same length. It has two fold symmetry. It has two rotational symmetry.